In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Antigravity rules and workflows. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to shape your agent so it behaves consistently and delivers repeatable results. First, open Google Antigravity in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct workspace you want to configure, especially if you switch between personal and team environments. This ensures anything you set up appears where you actually plan to use it. Next, head to the agent area at the top right. This is your command center for adjusting how the agent thinks, responds, and follows repeatable instructions. If you don't see it right away, check that your window is maximized or your zoom level isn't hiding the menu. Click the three dots and choose Customization. This opens the settings panel where you'll fine-tune behavior without changing your content each time. Think of this as the place where you set the ground rules and the reusable recipes your agent will follow. Now, switch to the Rules tab. Rules guide the behavior of your agent globally or within a specific workspace. Use them to set tone, brand guidelines, do's and don'ts, and any boundaries the agent should never cross. A helpful tip is to keep rules clear, specific, and outcome-focused. Instead of vague preferences, write instructions like use a concise, professional tone, or cite sources when summarizing research, so the agent knows exactly what to do. Choose whether to add a rule at the global level or the workspace level by clicking plus global or plus workspace. Global rules apply everywhere across your account, which is great for universal standards like voice and compliance. Workspace rules are ideal when a particular team, client, or project needs its own style or constraints. If you're unsure, start with workspace rules so you can test safely without affecting other areas. Next, move to the workflows section. Workflows are saved prompts the agent can follow step by step so you don't have to rewrite the same instructions. To trigger a workflow inside the agent, type a / and pick the workflow from the list. Give each workflow a clear name and include any variables the agent should request, like audience, format, or length, to reduce back and forth. Again, decide where a workflow belongs by using plus global or plus workspace. Global workflows are perfect for processes you use everywhere, while workspace workflows keep project-specific routines neatly organized. Keep your workflows short, modular, and labeled in plain language so teammates instantly recognize the right one. That's it. You've located the agent, opened customization, set rules, and organized workflows with global and workspace options. With these foundations in place, your agent will be consistent, fast, and on brand every time.